Welcome, students. In this video I'm going to talk about quotients with zeros. Sometimes when you're dividing 3 to 4 digit dividends, you're going to get quotients with zeros. So let's look at the following example. So this looks like a regular long division exercise, but when you start doing it, you're gonna see this. So that's 5 goes into 1, no, so we're gonna choose 2 digits at the beginning. So that is fine, that is regular. So how many times does 5 goes into 15? 3 times. 5 times 3, 15. 15 minus 15, 0. So does 5 goes into 0? No, so we bring down a 3. Notice, this time, does 5 goes into 3? No, so we're probably gonna have to bring down the 5. And we have to. But the problem is that we bring down two digits, so we have to put, when we bring down 2 digits consecutive like that, we need to put a 0 in the quotient. So this is called quotients with zeros. So now we can divide. Now we can divide. So how many times 5 goes into 35? So it would be 7. 7 times 5 is 35. 35 minus 35 is 0. So remainder is 0. So notice we can check this division because look, 307 times 5. 7 times 5, 35, goes 3. 5 times 0, 0, 3. 5 times 3, 15. And that matches this here. So it is correct. Let's look at similar example so that way you get used to it. So for example, let's say this, let's make this a 2. 1525 divided by 5. So again, how many times does 5 goes into 15? 3 times. 5 times 3, 15. 15 minus 15, 0. Does 5 goes into 0? No, so we bring down a 2. Does 5 goes into 2? No. But now we're bringing a non-zero digit, so 25. Whenever we do it like this, we need to put a 0. So now 5 times what number gives me 25? 5. 5 times 5, 25. Remainder 0. So remainder is 0. Again, we can check. 305 times 5 should give us 1525. So 305 times 5. 5 times 5, 25. Carry 2. 5 times 0, 0 plus 2, 2. 5 times 3, 15. So it is 1525. So these are called quotients with zeros when you're dividing 3 to 4 digit dividends. Thank you very much, students.